Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Woman's Fashion. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this video today, I will show you a leather handbags designs, genuine leather handbags designs, leather handbags. My dear friends, let's talk about trendy fashion, about very comfortable, very stylish shoulder and carry bags and designer leather handbags. Handbags will change your personality, look gorgeous and great. If you love to follow trendy fashion, about leather handbags will change your look with designer leather handbags, genuine leather handbags, parties and festive wear leather handbags, and much more about leather outfits. My dear friends, if you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social media's contact. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of leather videos do you want to see on my channel. Thank you once again you watching my leather videos from my channel. My dear friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas and new trendy fashion about leather handbags ideas. My dear friends, we will be right back with new leather videos and new leather handbags, designer leather handbags, shoulder carry handbags and hand carries bags. Thank you once again. Keep supporting me. Till then, thanks for watching. The alarm to all of you. Pray with us. Bye bye.